Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see your videos on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now, to see the videos you uploaded or posted on YouTube on your channel from your account, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon or the button that says you at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and you can see over here there it says the your videos option available for us. Tap on your videos button, and over here, guys, you will be able to see the videos you posted on your channel over here. Currently I have not posted any videos, so there is nothing for me, but in your case, all of the posts you had posted on YouTube or the videos you posted, shorts you posted, will be over here. And also you can see the analytics over here if you had posted something. With that being said, guys, this is how to see your videos or your uploaded videos on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.